Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. So hi again, and now let's move to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. In the front camera we have here save as mirrored photo option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.